grass. It looks really weird.
Yeah, it's from the drought.
Oh, weird? The different colors?
Yeah, it is.
I don't think I've ever seen that before.
No, I never have either. It's from the drought, though.
Wow.
I think.
This is a really nice flight.
So far, so good. I don't hear a whole lot of screaming in the back seat, but I assume that's coming up.
I'm going to behave myself.
What? Lori, behave herself? I don't know.
I don't know. Who knows? Might pick up a couple white coolers tonight, and then I'll be in trouble.
Oh, no.
Want to see what's on the other side of that dam.
Oh, yeah, it looks like a little town. So if the dam breaks, the town floods, right?
Yeah, I would say so.
Jeez. I don't understand why they built the dam there.
I don't know.
That makes no sense to me.
Oh, it doesn't look like there's much of a river.
The little town of Spring Valley.
Oh, that's Spring Valley?
Yeah, I think it is, yeah.
That's where they have the caves, I think.
No, you're thinking of Spring Valley, Minnesota.
Come on in.
We're coming.
Those are waiting.
Well, we got to do a little bit of a crosswind here, you're right.
Don't get in the trees.
It is kind of short, isn't it?
Log cabin air traffic, Coastal Challenger, quarter mile to the north, entering left downwind for 36, full stop, log cabin.
Yay, we made it. Oh, look at that. That's cute. Oh, this is so cute.
Yeah, did you get that landing?
Log cabin air traffic, Coastal Challenger, entering short left base.
Get that landing?
436, log cabin.
Still on. Oh, this is too cool.
Here, clear to wind.
Yeah, turn around.
Yeah.
Cabin air traffic, Coastal Challenger, short final 36, log cabin. Will be landing short due to the crosswind.
Get over here.
Okay. All right, so now what's this flying all about here?
What?
Flying?
Yeah.
Well, it's our 26th annual flying,
Yeah.
and we built a saloon. So the night before we decided that we'd have a saloon party. So cheers to the Log Cabin Airport.
Cheers. Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Was I on my
that's good.
camera, or is this still, or what the hell's going on? It's just getting bigger.
How unique is that? How unique is this?
It is very unique.
Oh, yes. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Unique. I like your outfit here.
Thank you. Woo! Woo! Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Might as well. This does not go on supercup.org.
No, it goes on YouTube.
My name is Luigi. Only one-armed violinist in the world. I'm from Rome, Italy. And General Doug sends me a letter about 2 weeks ago and says I need some entertainment at my fly-in. And so I fly in today. It is not easy to fly in with one hand.
Dave Morgan's found that out too.
So, for my first song tonight, I would like to play Roll Out the Barrel. Now, it's because I'm only one-handed, it's very soft. So you have to listen hard and really use your imagination. And if you excuse me, I have a cold. Excuse me. Yes. And I have neck surgery and can't get my neck done. And Doug, you said there are fish in the creek back here, so I bring my fishing pole and I use that as my bow. Oh, excuse me, I got below my nose.
Oh, God.
Excuse me.